Hey, my children are adults now, but making gifts, thoughtful gifts for my grandchildren's teachers brings me so much joy. I have to do it right now. It's custom and creative and looks like something that you might pick up at a boutique. But surprisingly, you can find these items at Walmart, Temu, and some creative things that I've put together myself. So whether you're a grandparent, a parent, or somebody who just wants a gift on purpose, this is a good idea for something that you can do. It's perfect for back to school night, meet the teacher, or teacher appreciation. Stick with me because I'm going to show you from start to finish how I bring this all together. And if you like creative ideas and realistic DIYs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on back. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with these supplies. The first thing I did, I was at a store and I saw these containers that hold straws, and I thought, I know I can do something with that. I don't know what yet, but I cleared the shelf. I'll tell you that. Okay, I tell you that. And then I came up with this. I started looking on Pinterest after I thought about the idea, and I saw what other people had done. So this is almost finished, but not finished. Okay? It is one of those containers, and I filled it with pencils and capped them with the erasers. And also I have put some decals, UV decals, all around this. Okay? And each one of these is completely different. This one says, teach, love, inspire, pound teacher life. And it has a beautiful, beautiful elephant on there. They all have elephants. This one, and the colors, they just pop, right? So this one is a beautiful elephant, and it says teacher vibe. Okay, there's going to be more. I'm going to do more to these, definitely. I was thinking about leaving them, but it's hard for me to stop sometimes, and I had some more ideas right before I started this video, so we're going to do them together. And this one says teacher. Okay, isn't that beautiful? And this one as well. And all of these decals can be made if you have a Cricut. You can make them, a silhouette, you can make it. You can also find these decals on Temu and Etsy. Excuse me, Temu, and also on Amazon, because that's where I've been getting things. I did not mean to say Etsy. Okay, so yeah, this one right here came from Amazon. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I already started this one, all right? What I'm going to do is, and you see the apple on there, it says best teacher ever. So it's an apple sticker and a pencil sticker. You just do whatever you want to do with it, okay? So I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like when you get it. All right? And I like to use my little scraper and make sure it's down on there very good first. Now, I'm not going to put the whole thing on there. I may not put the whole thing on there at all, but right now I want to place it. So I'm just cutting around. Alright. And now for the that I usually have a problem with, trying to see. That's it right there. Trying to see. Because I really can't see. And trying to get it. It's a little thin line. Oh, 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 got it. All right. Now, I actually already cleaned this off with alcohol. So I'm not worried about that. Let me stand up so I can see good. And before I do that, I'm going to place something on each side because I don't have what I usually use in front of me. Just to keep it from moving. Okay? And then place it where you want it. And I want it right down at the bottom. And I start in the middle and smooth it. Okay? Use my scraper to make sure it stays on there good. The whole thing. Because I don't want any of it not to stay. Okay? And then you just pull that out. And there it is. When you get to that part, yeah. When you get to that part, it's like, boom. But you got to get there, right? So let me see, where do I want to place these? And which ones do I want to place? Okay. So this is an actual cup wrap. I will make sure that I put some links in the description so that you can locate this. I'm sure you would appreciate that after watching. Because I sure do appreciate you. Each and every one of you. All right, let's see here. We are almost, well, no, we already know I got to get it apart. We already know that. And I said this piece was going over here. Yes. All right. Let's see if this one plays with me like the other one did. Nope. See? It's not always hard. Not always hard. This one. Sorry, my dog's in the background again. If you watch me, you know he does that. He loves to wait till I get on here or I'm on the phone. Okay? He's like a child. Thank you for being patient. He might start whining. And if he does, it's just because he sees a gecko outside. Okay? I promise. He's at the back door. Mm-hmm. And just like that, that is done. that part is done. All right? I'm going to have to clean it again. But that part is done. And these can be used for something else, or I could put them on here if I decide to keep them going. But right now, what I'm going to do is add some additional things. I thought about this. I like this idea going around here. So I'm going to measure this. Just like that. And then we want 2 strands. And I already turned on my glue gun over here. I had to look at it, make sure it's on. Yes, I did. I already turned it on. I just did that a minute ago, so it is ready to go right now, actually. And I got this glue gun on Amazon. I did a review. It's on my channel. All right. So this part's going to go around the rim right there. Okay? So let's take that out and do it like this. After I trim this up. It looks like something was left over from last time. I got to clean as I go all the time, all the time, all the time. That's the way I was raised. All right. Put a little bit down here. Come on, come on. Good. We're just going to get it started. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I knocked it off his base, so I got to put it back on there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We are almost there. Yes, I nitpick. I do that. I do that. I do that. Okay? So that is that part. And then I was looking, I have these, okay? I have these beads and these crystal jewels. And I was thinking, I don't know if this is going to work or not, so we're just going to try it, okay? We're just going to try it and see if it works. Nothing beats failure but a try. That's what I always heard. So let's try. The hard part of this is going to be me doing this with my fingers. So let's see if we do it like this. First. Put the bead there like that. Yeah, I'm pulling strings off. Okay, and then I don't think I want to put that one on there. That might be too big. This one, yeah. Strings. Those are strings. Ooh. That would have been smart to do with tweezers. Okay, maybe I should let it dry first, then pull. Okay, because we're just going to keep on pulling it. But I think I like it. Because I do. I do like it. I hope you like it. Tell me if you like it. What you think? Do you like that? Do you like it like this? Tell me, because I'm not going to keep going. I'm not going to keep going. I actually want some opinions on this. I really do. Okay? So I'm going to continue getting these strings off of here, but should I leave them like this? Or should I keep going and do this? Tell me. Gotta get them done in the next 2 days. I have a lot to do. I'm preparing for my next time at the mall vending. That is August the 9th and 10th. So I'll be going live again with a whole lot of different things that you haven't seen before. So tell me what you think. Okay? I want to know what you think about all of this. And I want to know, what do you think specifically? Should I leave them like this, or should I continue? What should I do? Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please watch my other videos. I appreciate everyone so much. My channel is growing fast. I appreciate you so much. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.